In this video, I will guide you on how to fix blurry highlights on Instagram. The first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app. Now check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. Next, you want to head over to your profile. Here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now find the option of data usage and media quality. Here you want to toggle on the option of upload at highest quality. Make sure that this option is on. You also want to turn off the data saver. Then head back. Now you want to recreate your highlight. For that, tap on this plus icon on your profile. Now go ahead and select your highlight from here. Now tap on the finished option. And now go ahead and check. Now your highlights will be in better quality. For future uploads, you want to make sure that you're taking videos and photos in 4K. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.